Take a ride in the 2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, SLT preferred equipment group, meets federal emissions requirements. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.